Explore Kids World with me. What is the biggest sea creature on Earth? It's blue whale. Did you know its whale tongue is heavier than an elephant? Which sea animal has 8 arms? An octopus! Wiggle, wiggle! Did you know an octopus? It squirts ink and hides. Who is the fastest swimmer in the ocean? A dolphin. Zoom, zoom. Did you know dolphins sleep with one eye open? Who has a shell on their back and swims really slow? A sea turtle, slow and steady. Did you know sea turtles can live to be over 100 years old? What sea creature looks like a star? A starfish, but it lives in the ocean. Did you know? Starfish don't have a brain or a heart, but they can grow arms back. Which fish has stripes and lives in a squishy home? A clownfish, just like in the movies. Did you know clownfish live in squishy sea anemones? That's their cozy home. Who slides on ice but swims in the sea? A penguin. Quack, waddle, splash. Did you know penguins can't fly, but they swim super fast like rockets? Which fish looks like a horse? A seahorse. Did you know daddy seahorses carry the babies, not mommy? Who claps their claws like scissors? A crab. Did you know crabs walk sideways, not forward? What animal looks like jelly and can sting? A jellyfish. Did you know they don't have a brain or heart? Who glides like a kite in the ocean? A stingray. Did you know they bury themselves in the sand to hide? Which animal has flippers and barks like a dog? A seal. Did you know seals can hold their breath underwater for over 30 minutes? What sea animal wears a shell like a helmet? A nautilus. Did you know it has up to 90 arms? Whoa!